What up, kids? It's Mr. New School, and I'm back with my multiplication rap boot camp. I'm excited because this is the first tutorial in a series that's going to teach you everything you need to know about multiplication. We're going to kick it off like this. 1 times 1 is 1. Let's have some fun. Today, I'll be introducing you to 3 symbols and 3 vocabulary terms. Let's start with the symbols. The first symbol is the equal sign. This is the equal sign. The equal sign indicates that 2 sides of a number sentence are equal or the same. Remember, this is the equal sign. 1 times 2 is 2. I thought you knew. The next sign that I will be introducing you to is the addition sign. The addition sign indicates that 2 or more numbers are being combined together. This is the addition sign. 1 times 3 is 3. It's easy. Finally, the last sign that I'll be introducing you to today is the star of the show, the multiplication sign. The multiplication sign indicates that 2 or more numbers are being multiplied together. 1 times 4 is 4. Let's do more. Next, I will be introducing you to 3 vocabulary terms. The first is number sentence. A number sentence is a mathematical sentence that is made up of numbers and symbols. Don't forget, a mathematical sentence that is made up of numbers and symbols. 1 times 5 is 5, no jive. The next term will be repeated addition. Repeated addition is when you add the same number over and over again. For example, if I said 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15, that would be an example of repeated addition. I added the number 5 3 times. Repeated addition. Adding the same number over and over again. 1 times 6 is 6. We in the mix. And the final definition for the day is the star of the show, multiplication. And multiplication is a mathematical operation in which you combine equal groups in order to get an answer. You combine equal groups in order to get an answer. For example, 5 times 3 equals 15. It is a shortcut of repeated addition. Multiplication is a shortcut to repeated addition. 1 times 7 is 7. Learn your lesson. So remember the 3 terms that Mr. New School shared with you today. Number sentence, repeated addition, and multiplication. 1 times 8 is 8. Feels great. Let's do a New School quick check. Do you remember this symbol? Exactly. That is the multiplication symbol. 1 times 9 is 9. Let's rhyme. What about this one? Yes, that's the equal sign. 1 times 10 is 10. Tell a friend. And finally, do you remember this one? That's the addition symbol. Great job, kids. 1 times 11 is 11. Class in session. Next time, we'll explore equal groups and how they relate to multiplication. 1 times 12 is 12. Ring the bell. Until next time, it's cool, it's cool, it's Mr. New School. When you multiply your ones, there's no need to wonder. 1 times any number is that number.